Good morning, my dear students. Today, in this video clip, I want to discuss about whatever the formula come across in 8th chapter of the PUC second year physics. That is alternating current chapter. That is alternating current chapter. How many formulas are there? I want to explain detail about the formulas, and also I want to explain a few things, important points in this chapter, that is alternating current. This is for PUC second year, PUC second year physics, chapter number 8, that is alternating current. What do you say? This is alternating current. Alternating current. Yes, fine. ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ alternating current. What are the formula come across? But you know this is what is alternating current. The magnitude of the current which varies sinusoidally or simple harmonically and also change its direction periodically, reverse its direction periodically, such a type of current is called alternating current. Yes. Now before going to that one, in the case of generator, that is the instantaneous EMF, instantaneous EMF, instantaneous EMF, that is E is equal to E naught sin omega t. Now this is also represent here, P is equal to P naught sin omega t. Yes, now here E naught, or you say to be V naught, is equal to N A omega B. N is the number of turns, A is the area of the coil, omega, that is angular speed, that is omega is equal to 2 pi f. F is said to be frequency, B is the magnetic field. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ತೋಳ್ತು ನಾವು. ಈ ನಾಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ ಪೀಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಫಿ ನಾಟ್ಗೆ ಪೀಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ನಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಆರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೇರೀಸ್ sinusoidally or simple harmonically and also reverse direction, that is the periodically. Now what are the peak values here? Now peak values, what are the peak values? Here omega is equal to 2 pi f. Then peak values, if peak values ಯಾವುದು? Peak values of the voltage, this is P naught is equal to N A omega B, but I naught is equal to, already I have to write P naught divided by R. This is N A omega B divided by R you have to take. This is about what you say peak values. Peak values ಅಂದರೆ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಇದು ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ನಾವು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಐ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಎಸ್, ಪಿನರ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಆರ್ ಅರ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್, ನಾವು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಯರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಯರ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್, this is V is equal to P naught sin omega t. Fine. P ನರ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ, I ಅರ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟಿ ನರ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಥೀಟಾನರ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೈನಸೈಡಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ನಾವು. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ವಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪೀಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪೀಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಇಯರ್ ಪೀಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಪಿ ನಾಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಪೀಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ. ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ನಾವು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಸೇಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ರೂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಯರ್ 2 by pi V naught, peak value of the 2 by pi times of the peak value of the voltage. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ I RMS is equal to 2 upon pi I naught ಅಂತ ತೋಳ್ತಾನೆ ನಾವು. ಇವಾಗ 2 upon pi ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 upon y 0. What you got here 6 that is RMS value, sorry, this is I think peak values, mean values, that is PM. This is the mean values. These are said to be RMS, not RMS. These are the mean values or average values. PM is equal to, this is IM is equal to 2 upon pi I naught, 2 upon pi, this is value is 0.637 here. Now this is you got here mean values. Now this is VM, this is the V naught. In between these two, that is the RMS value. Fourth one, RMS value, root means square values. That is VRMS is equal to that is 1 by root 2 into P naught. IRMS is equal to, that is 1 by root 2 into I naught. 1 by root 2 value is 0.707, like that. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0.637. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0.98 ವಿ ನಾಟ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.707 ವಿ ನಾಟ್. ಯು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಪೀಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್. ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೀಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಪೀಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎವರೇಜ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೊಂದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೀಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಎವರೇಜ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಥವಾ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್. ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಅದು ಏನದ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಎಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ನೋ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ resistive circuit. It means for pure resistor. What is the behavior of voltage and the current? Now voltage is equal to V naught sin omega t, fine, and I is equal to I naught sin omega t. Here phase angle is 0. It means P and I, they are said to be in phase. ಎರಡು ಏನದವಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಎರಡು ಇನ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಇನ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಪವರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಐ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸಿಪೇಟೆಡ್. ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಲು ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ 6th one, ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ inductor circuit. For inductor circuit, for pure inductor circuit, now what is the voltage and current behavior? Here V is equal to V naught sin omega t, but current you got I is equal to I naught sin omega t minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 or you said to be 90 degree. ಹೀಗಾದರೂ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಮೈನಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಯು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಟಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಮೆಗಾ ಟಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಐತಿ. ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಫಿ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ಬೈ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2. ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ P and I, they are in phase. Are in phase. There is no phase difference at all. Eradu in phase. This is the P leads I by pi by 2, or you say to be 90 degree. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ P is equal to V naught sin omega t, I is equal to I naught sin omega t minus pi by 2. ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲಿ inductive reactance is omega L. This is equal to 2 pi f L. Now this is constant here. This is constant. Inductive reactance is directly proportional to the frequency. Now frequency is go on varies, then inductive reactance is also varies. How it is varies? It is directly proportional. Now when you draw the graph here, that is XL, inductive reactance, that is the y axis, and frequency along x axis, you got the straight line here. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಥರ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಪವರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 0. But in the case of pure resistive circuit, average power is maximum Vrms into Irms. In the case of pure inductive circuit, that is average power is equal to, that is 0. Now seventh one. Now for pure capacitive circuit, pure capacitor circuit. In the case of pure capacitor circuit, what is the behavior of the voltage and the current? Here V is equal to V naught sin omega t, I is equal to I naught sin omega t minus pi by 2 in the case of pure inductor circuit. But here in this case, P is equal to P naught sin omega t, I is equal to I naught sin omega t plus pi by 2, or you said to be 90 degree. Behavior of the current is I naught sin omega t plus pi by 2. Voltage is V is equal to V naught sin omega t. What is the phase angle here? That is the pi by 2 or 90 degree. What it shows? Illi minus pi by 2, illi plus pi by 2 idu. Here I leads V by pi by 2, or is said to be 90 degree. Illi ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Here you got I leads V by 90 degree. Again the effective opposition offered by the capacitor to the flow of alternating current, that is called capacitive reactance. That capacitive reactance is given by Xc is equal to 1 upon omega c. Xc is equal to 1 by omega c. This 1 by omega c means that is 1 upon 2 pi f c. Again here, now see here, this is constant, these are the terms constant. Xc is inversely proportional to, that is the frequency. At low frequency ಗೆ XL ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೈ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ XL ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟನ್ಸ್. But in this case, now you draw the graph here. Here this is Xc, that is a capacitive reactance, and this is a frequency, and you take like this. Now it is go on decreases with increase in the frequency. At low frequency, that capacitive reactance is maximum here. But in this case, at low frequency, inductive reactance is, that is the minimum. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚದ. At high frequency, capacitive reactance is minimum, but inductive reactance is, that is said to be maximum. ಇದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What about the average power? Now average power for one cycle of AC in the case of pure capacitor circuit or capacitive circuit, that is 0. In the case of, that is pure capacitor circuit. Now for series LCR circuit, you come to the point, that is series LCR circuit. Series LCR circuit. Yes, what is the applied voltage here? Now in the series LCR circuit, in your syllabus, you apply the alternating voltage for low frequency. That low frequency at that is a low frequency. Your applied frequency is low frequency. At the low frequency, here Xc is maximum. Xc is greater than XL. This is for low frequency. It is at the low frequency. Yes, at the low frequency, Xc is greater than XL. What is the applied voltage? P is equal to P naught sin omega t, and I is equal to, that is I naught sin omega t plus that is the pi. It is not exactly equal to 90 degree. But in the case of pure inductive circuit and pure capacitor circuit, the phase angle must and should is equal to pi. But here this is not equal to pi by 2, but it is any angle. But depending upon, mainly depending upon, that is the frequency. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಫೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. Yes, what about the, that is the current? That current is equal to P naught divided by under root of, that is R square plus XC minus XL whole square. XC minus XL whole square. This is equal to, that is P naught divided by, that is Z. Z is said to be impedance. What is impedance? The effective opposition offered by the inductor, capacitor and resistor in the series LCR circuit, that is called impedance. That impedance, that is Z is equal to under root of R square plus XC minus XL whole square. That is the impedance. Now, ಇಲ್ಲಿ impedance diagram ನೀವು draw ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, this is the impedance diagram. This is the R here. This is XC minus XL you got. This is the impedance. Now, this is, that is a pi phase angle. Suppose this is a O, this is A, this one is B. Either voltage across this LCR circuit, you got PC minus PL. Voltage across resistor only, that is a VR. Voltage across this one is said to be P. At that time, you measure this angle, tan pi is equal to AB upon, that is OB. AB upon, that is a OB. This is equal to, AB is XC minus XL divided by OB is R. Or PC minus PL divided by R. Now, pi is equal to tan inverse of, that is XC minus XL divided by R. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, that is the phase angle, pi is equal to tan inverse of XC minus XL divided by R. It depending upon the value of XC and that is XL. Now, suppose XC is greater than XL, what happens? XC is greater than XL, at that time pi becomes, that is a positive. Yes, now that is XC is less than XL, at that time pi is that you got, that is a negative. That is XC minus L, you take this is positive and it becomes negative. Now, XC is equal to XL, at that time this XC minus XL becomes 0. This is said to be electrical resonance in the series LCR circuit. Now, electrical resonance. What is electrical resonance? At one particular frequency of AC, now impedance of the series LCR circuit becomes minimum, then maximum current flow through series LCR circuit. This is called electrical resonance, and that frequency is called resonant frequency. At resonance, that is XC is equal to XL. At the resonance means resonant frequency, that is omega naught, or you said omega naught. Now, XC, that is omega naught 1 upon omega naught C. XL is omega naught L. Yes, now 1 upon LC is equal to omega naught square. Now, omega naught is equal to, that is under 1 upon under root of LC. Now, this is equal to 2 pi f naught is equal to 1 upon root of LC. This is the f naught is equal to 1 upon under root of, that is 2 pi under root of L into C. This is the expression for, that is the resonant frequency. Now, how the current is varies with the frequency. The variation of current in the series LCR circuit with frequency, that you have to take in. Yes. How you got? The variation of the current with frequency. Suppose you draw the current that is along y-axis and frequency along x-axis. How it varies? It varies like this. How it varies? That is the inductive reactance and capacitive reactance, XL or XC with frequency, or is said to be omega. Now here XL is varies like this, and with frequency, that is the capacitive reactance is varies like this. Now this is at low frequency, XC is greater than XL. At high frequency, XL is greater than XC. At one particular frequency, XC is equal to XL. At XC is equal to XL, that is the resonant frequency. Yes. Now, at one particular frequency, F naught, that is the resonant frequency, XC is equal to XL, XC is equal to XL, XC minus XL is equal to 0, then Z is, that is minimum. Z is minimum, then current is, you said to be maximum. This is the maximum. Now, what is the quality factor? Now, here, what is the power in the series LCR circuit? Then the power, and that is the quality factor. Quality factor, that is Q is equal to XL divided by R at the resonance. This is equal to omega naught L divided by R. And quality factor in the case of that is the series LCR circuit, it is also defined with the help of capacitive reactance, that is the capacitive reactance divided by resistance. Now it is defined at the ratio of inductive reactance to the resistance or capacitive reactance with the resistance. This is 1 by omega naught C divided by R. This is 1 by omega naught C R here. Yes, another one, that is the quality factor is also defined like this. It is the ratio of resonant frequency with the bandwidth. Bandwidth is F2 minus F1. Or in terms of omega, angular frequency, quality factor is equal to omega naught divided by omega 2 minus omega 1. What is omega 1 and minus omega 2? These are you said to be, that is the half power points. This is said to be half power point frequencies for I1 and I2. That is at the half power point frequency. Then what is the power in series LCR circuit? What is the power in series LCR circuit? In AC circuit, in general expression, this is power. It is applied to any component for any circuit. That power in series LCR circuit. Yes, that is power PAB is equal to V RMS into I RMS into cos pi. Now pi again it depending upon that is XL and XC, and this is a power factor. This is actual power. This is actual power is equal to virtual power into cos pi. The cos pi is said to be power factor. This power factor cos pi is equal to actual power divided by virtual power. This is virtual actual power. Yes, by this is impedance diagram, this power factor is equal to ratio of the resistance to the, that is impedance. Now what is the resistance? R. This is divided by under root of R square plus XC minus XL whole square. This is power factor. Power factor again depending upon XC and XL. XC and XL, and again XC and XL it depending upon frequency. Therefore, power factor is depending upon, that is said to be frequency. And two more formula, that is the LC oscillations. The frequency of oscillations produced by LC circuit. LC circuit is means that is the tank circuit. Now, charged capacitor which is connected across the pure inductor, charged capacitor which is applied to the pure inductor, this is called tank circuit. Then frequency of the oscillations F naught is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root of L into C. This is the frequency of oscillations which produced by tank circuit, or is said to be LC circuit. Then efficiency of the transformer. Yes, what is the efficiency? Efficiency of the transformer, it is output power divided by input power. In transformer, that is Vs divided by Is is equal to, that is Ns divided by Np. Now voltage in the secondary divided by voltage in the primary is equal to number of turns in the secondary divided by number of turns in the primary. This is also is equal to current in the primary divided by current in the secondary. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, number of the voltage across the secondary divided by voltage across the primary is equal to number of turns in the secondary divided by number of turns in the primary. Now it is equal to IP divided by Is. Now here this is also said to be Ns, number of turns in the secondary divided by number of turns in the primary. This is called turns ratio. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲಿ efficiency, that is output power divided by input power. Output power, it means it is the secondary. You apply the voltage across the primary, you got the output voltage across the secondary. At that time, that is the output power Ps into Is divided by Pp into Ip. Output power divided by input power. This is the ratio of output power to the input power. This is called, what you say, that is efficiency of, that is transformer. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲೇ ರೆಸೋನನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸೋನನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ at this frequency the maximum current is passed here, maximum current. Either side, this is an either side, Xc greater than XL, Xc greater than XL. Now here current is minimum, it means Z is maximum. Now XL is greater than Xc, at that time also Z is maximum, current is minimum. But at one particular frequency, that is Xc is equal to XL, at that time maximum current is passed here, maximum current is passed. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹಾಫ್ ಪವರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಐ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 2 ತೊಗೋತೇವೆ, ಐ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಐ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಆನ್ ಐದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆನ್ ಐದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಐ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 2ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, F1 ಮತ್ತು F2. ಒಮೆಗಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಮೆಗಾ 1, ಇದು ಒಮೆಗಾ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ, ದೀಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ F2 ಮತ್ತು F1 ಮತ್ತು ಒಮೆಗಾ 2 ಮತ್ತು ಒಮೆಗಾ 1, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಪವರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೋ, ಹಾಫ್ ಪವರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ XL, XC ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. and with the help of this expression it is inversely proportional to that is said to be resistance. ಅಂದರೆ it shows the sharpness. ಈ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದದು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನೆಸ್ which shows in what rate the current is decreases on either side of the resonant frequency. resonant frequency ಆಜು ಬಾಜು ಯಾವೊಂದು ರೀತಿ ಯಾವ ರೇಟ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಆನ್ ಐದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಇದು ಒಮೆಗಾನರ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಎಫ್ರ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ R1 ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ R2 ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ, ಇದು R3 ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದರೆ R3 ಹೆಚ್ಚು. ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ R2 ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ R1. R1ಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚದ, ಆರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಆರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನದ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನೆಸ್. ಇದು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚದ, ಈ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅದ, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅದ. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನದ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅದ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ whatever the formulas come across in the alternating current chapter, that is chapter number 8. In next video clip I am going to solve the few problems. Okay, yes, when before going to stop this discussion, I want to request to all my dear students, you become a subscriber for our physics channel by pressing the that is the subscriber button and bell button. You become a subscriber for our channel. I hope all of you become a subscriber for our channel. Thank you.